Guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is my final SAS haul. Oh my goodness. I know you're like, girl, you're going to go back in, but I'm like, girl, no. Because I've been in multiple times in the past week, and I'm just like, I'm done with the sale. So I am done with the sale, but I have a massive haul to show you. And y'all, sorry about the angle. I am at my vanity. The little kids are actually asleep in my bed, and I'm trying to hurry up and get this video done so I can upload it before you guys go to bed, okay? But this is the finale. Oh my goodness. The finale of the SAS for me. I will not be putting up any more SAS videos. No more hauls, no more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and if you love hauls, definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to start off with the stuff I got online. If you guys go online to order, make sure you go through, I think it's called Rakuten now, but it was eBay's. I'll leave the link below, but you do get cash money back for your purchases. So for this order, yeah, it's a little massive. Yeah, I did get cash back for this order. I'm super excited. So let's just get into it. So I'm not even gonna act brand new. First thing I got was this candle. This is Ice Cream Shop. Looks just like this. I don't want to blind you. Can this lighting act right? I might have to turn the lighting down. Hold on, guys. So this is the first item. Sorry, I had to turn the lights down that way I don't blind you. It's Ice Cream Shop. It looks just like this. Packaging is absolutely beautiful. This candle did disappoint me. I can't even lie to y'all. I thought this candle was going to be everything and more. It has that buttery note of Boardwalk, the Boardwalk one. My favorite, Summer Boardwalk. But I don't know. It didn't give me everything I thought it would. I don't know. I feel like I didn't need this candle. Cute packaging though, so I'm going to hold on to it for the packaging, and I did get it for $10.50. So the next item from my online order is Carried Away. Carried Away looks just like this. Nicole No Fire, Michael. Those are my partners in crime. Y'all know we did a fall collab. Y'all trying to do another fall collab this fall? Let me know. Let me know. We could do our little group, get our group together back on Instagram. Would y'all love to see a haul from me, Michael, and Nicole No Fire? Us do a little a video together again? Let me know in the comments below. But these two always be getting me in trouble. Those two get me in trouble. So I got Carried Away, and it smells good. I like it. It is a floral, but a sweet floral. So I do like it, and I think this will be really nice in the spring. And look at the packaging. I mean, packaging alone, hello, it's really, really pretty. So I got that, and I got the matching lotion and Carried Away. So I have the set in that now. Now, my new line finally came in. Well, you know what? Let me take it back a little bit. Let me show you one more item I got. I've been looking for this spray for a year. The Secret Wonderland spray. I've been looking for this spray for a year. And then they had it on Amazon and stuff, but people was wanting upwards to $60. I ain't paying $60 for no spray. Bye. Okay. Girl, bye. But this was $3.95. It came out this year, and I was like, yeah. So I was finally able to complete my set and have the Secret Wonderland spray. It wasn't even $3.90. It was $3.50, I think. Yeah. So I got that. And then, of course, I got the new line that just came out. And y'all, I just racked up on the new line. I got the Mediterranean Blue Waters, the Fine Fragrance Mist. Looks just like that. Sorry if you hear noise. That's Justin on that dang on Fortnite. I do apologize. I got the Portofino Pink Prosecco. So cute. Look at the packaging. The packaging is life. It's life. I got the Portofino Pink Prosecco lotion as well. It looks just like that. And I got the Portofino Pink Prosecco, the spray. It smells really, really good. A lot of people say this is like poolside pop. 100% agree with you. It is like poolside pop. And then I have the whole line here of the Capri Coastal Citrus. And it looks just like this. Here is the body wash. And of course, I got one in stores too. This is the body cream. And then I also have the spray. And the spray looks just like this in Capri Coastal Citrus. So I cannot wait. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. Oh my God, let me just spray some. Y'all, it smells so good. Like, oh my God, I wish I could smell it through the screen. It does smell good. It's not my favorite though. It is not my favorite. Even though it smells really good, out of the new Mediterranean line, it wasn't my favorite. My favorite was the Mediterranean Blue Waters. That was my favorite. Even though I got a lot of the pink Prosecco, that was packaging, baby. I got that for packaging. So let me move this out the way so that way it doesn't blind you guys. So that's everything in the box. I mean, they did give me a coupon for 20% off my online order. So next time I make an online order, I get 20% off. But the thing is this, and I have a video coming up. We're actually going to be starting to do project use it ups. So hauling like crazy from Bath and Body Works, that's actually coming to an end. I have a video coming up on it, and it'll explain everything. That video will be out sometime next week, but I am officially, after this video, taking a break from buying from Bath and Body Works. Of course, when the fall line drops and all the fall stuff's out, I will get some things, of course, like soaps and a few candles and stuff like that, wallflowers, because you need that. That's my decor, so I have no problem buying that. But as far as just hauling the haul, but I mean, this sale was a lot of fun because it had a lot of different things. But yeah, we'll talk about that in that next video. So this I got on just a little mini adventure. You see, it's a small bag. Y'all, this scent, I cannot get enough of this scent right here. This is Maui Mango Surf, right? Yeah, Maui Mango Surf. Y'all, my full one is over here. If I can just reach over and grab it for y'all. Look, this is how much I got left in the one I have. I am going through this. I only have been using it less than 2 weeks, and I'm going through it already. So I had to have some more backup. So even though I had one backup, I got 2 more. So boom, that takes care of that for me. And I found this. This is in Fresh Balsam. I really don't like Fresh Balsam that much, but I smelled it. I said, oh my God, this will go great as a bubble bath. And it does. It smells so good, like it's going to be so nice in the wintertime. So for the fall and the winter, I'm going to be putting this in the kids' bubble bath. And it's just going to be their bubble bath. And it was 75% off. And the Maui Mango Mai Tai, of course, was 75% off as well. So yeah, I got those at that discount. Where's the next bag? Okay, that's the last bag. So the next bag, they just gave me a regular Bath and Body Works bag. Nothing, they didn't give me the fancy bag. I guess they ran out of them. But I bought the mineral bath soak from the Waterline. Everybody talks about this and how cool, can I talk? How cool the packaging is. And the packaging of it is really cool. And it smells really good. Oh, I love the smell of this. So I'm going to be putting this into the kids' bath. And when I want to do a little soak for myself, I'm going to be using this one. So I was excited to get that. I did pick up the At the Beach Super Rich Moisturizing Body Wash. It looks like that. These body washes are a great deal for 75% off. Okay, don't fall over. I got this for Justin. It's the Dark Amber for men. It was only $3.95. So I picked one up for him. I got another Midnight Pomegranate because I do like these, like I said, in the winter. So I wanted to have another one so I can have 2 for this winter. And they were only $3.95. I got this candle. Is in Endless Weekend. It's San Francisco, in the San Francisco packaging. It looks just like this. And y'all, it smells so good. I'm not going to burn this. I'm not. I got it for decorative purposes because the packaging is just... it's just super cute. It's really cute. So I got it for the packaging purposes. And then they were doing wildflowers that day for $3.95. So I picked up 3 of the wallflowers. So I picked up 2 in cucumber melon because I like the cucumber melon in the kids' bathroom. So I got 2 of those. And then I got a coastal capri. So I only got 1 coastal capri. So that's the wallflowers because I already have like 30 wallflowers I need to get through. So do I really need wallflowers? No, I don't. So that was that bag. And this is my final bag from the SAS. So I will not be going back to the SAS, even though I would love to get those soaps, those cute soaps that they have out, and get them for the low. They just won't go under $3. So, and I don't want to pay more than that. So I got enough soaps. I'll be okay without the packaging. But I did find some 75% off candles. It's not what you think though. It's not the 3 wicks for 75% off. They're the 1 wicks for 75% off. Let me move this bag. I ain't trying to blind y'all. There we go. They're the 1 wicks, but they were 75% off. So I thought that was a good deal to get me some 1 wicks for 75% off. So instead of $10, they rung up $2.50. The first one is in Island Papaya. I know sometimes people don't like to get these 1 wick candles. I don't want to blind y'all, but people don't like to get them because they're like, people touch them, blah, blah, blah. Trust me, even these 3 wicks, these big ones, someone touched it and smelt it. So yeah, it's not a big deal to me. So I got Island Papaya. I got Endless Weekend. Nicole No Fire just came out with a video, her top sprays for summer. And she was talking about the Endless Weekend. And I just had to smell it in my store. Finally got some Endless Weekend in one of my mini stores because I go to mini stores. But they finally got Endless Weekend in. So I said, gotta grab it. So got it on recommendation from Nicole No Fire. And honey, yes, it's a win. So I can't wait to use that. I got another one of the fancy candles. Ooh, don't fall, girl. This is in Seattle. It's white caramel cold brew, and it looks just like that. It's a Seattle candle. Look at that. How pretty is that packaging? That packaging, it smells so good. It's in the packaging's life. Again, I won't be using it, just having it for collection, collector's purposes. And then I got a Eucalyptus Rain. The Eucalyptus Rain is another 1 wick I got for $2.50. Smells so good. And these little 1 wicks, I just put these in the bathroom. So you burn them in the bathroom. That way your bathroom smells really good. And I only do that on the weekends because when the kids are home, I don't do it. I don't put no candles going in the bathroom because my kids, no ma'am. So I got that. I got the Sensual Amber. Let me just keep it back here because it's not going to come in. And it smells so good. I like the Sensual Amber. Again, $2.50 for that candle. The next candle is Cherry Frost. This is from the winter line. Smells so good. I had the big Cherry Frost soaps. I have a mini one. That's good to go into the bathrooms. And then I think there's one more item. Oh, it is. And it was on sale today for $10.50. Y'all ready? You ready? Uh-oh, 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 oh, no, no. Uh-oh, 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 oh, no, no. Uh-oh, 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 oh, no, no. Yeah. Blueberry pie, baby. So I was able to get blueberry pie. And one thing you guys might not know is I don't like pie. I just don't like pie, but this candle smells so good. It's juicy blueberry, flaky crust, sugar crystals with essential oils. And it smells so good. You get that buttery note of that flaky crust. You get the blueberry in there too, but it's not strong like that blueberry maple pancakes because people was raving about that and that wasn't that good. This is a whole different kind of goodness. And then sugar crystals. So you get that hint of sweet. Yeah, you get all of it. Oh my goodness, y'all. Yes, I like this. I don't even like pie, and I love this. And the packaging is really cute. And then when you light it up, like the iridescence in it. Oh, the pour information, I don't understand nothing about it. Everybody keeps trying to explain this to me. I don't get it, but it tells you when it was poured and all that stuff. Mine says 9126 AGA4. I don't know what that means, but that's my code information. But yeah, that's blueberry pie. So happy to have it, and it's on sale for $10.50. It is still online. It's still available online for $10.50 right now. Just make sure you go through Ebates or Rakuten, whatever it's called now. I'll leave the link below. That way you guys can sign up. But this candle's worth the wait. So that's it, guys. That ends my SAS fever. I hope you guys have enjoyed the SAS hauls. This year, SAS has been so much fun, like super fun. It's normally not this fun like last year. I know I stocked up on a lot of stuff that I just never had before. This year, it was really fun to experience all the different stuff, and it went on sale. A lot of stores had 75% off items. It wasn't like a one bin type of thing. I went to a lot of stores that had a lot of 75% off. I took you guys on the ride a lot. It was just a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're going to bed, good night. But thank you for watching. Y'all, SAS was amazing. And I cannot wait for the next one. So you guys, if you want to see what I'm doing after SAS videos, definitely make sure to continue to stay tuned. I do love doing come with me videos and taking you guys places and, you know, giving you inspiration and all that. So guess what? More of that to come. We're going to be going to TJ Maxx this weekend, so you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. And just so you know, the TJ Maxx video I did already record, so there is one Bath and Body Works item in it, but that's because the video was previously recorded, so just know that. So you know that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.